Jungle Bird cocktail was created by Jeffrey Ong when he worked as a beverage manager at the Kuala Lumpur Hilton Hotel's Aviary bar in the 1970s. He prepared it as a welcome drink for hotel guests and was named after the presence of the tropical birds that he would see around the pool. It's a unique blend of sweet, bitter, and fruity flavors coupled with its vibrant presentation make it a standout cocktail. To make the Jungle Bird, we'll be using aged rum, pineapple juice, simple syrup, lime juice, and a little bit of Campari. This drink will be shaken, so we will get our shaker tins, and we will start with 2 ounces of the Cruzan aged rum, 2 ounces of pineapple, 3/4 of an ounce of our Campari, 1/2 an ounce of lime juice, and 1/2 an ounce of simple syrup. We'll add ice to our tin. It's about 4 or 5 cubes. Then we'll shake. We'll be building this in our tall stem glass over ice. Top off the glass. And we are going to strain our cocktail over the ice. And lastly, we will garnish with 2 pineapple fronds. And there you have the modern classic, the Jungle Bird cocktail. And there you have 2 delicious cocktails. We've got the classic daiquiri and the modern classic Jungle Bird. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making these cocktails, and I hope that you can make them for yourself and enjoy them as well. Cheers.